Hey, welcome everybody. I just wanted to make a quick intro video of the new Better Boss Portal 2.0 that we're launching here in March 2025. First off, remember, if you ever need to access your portal and you're not logged in already, you just have to click the login button under Contact Us on our website or go to portal.betterboss.io. From there, you're going to click Are You a Customer Better Boss? Punch in your email and they're going to send you that magic link. Once you're logged in with that browser, you'll be good to go. If you ever do get logged out, you can just repeat this process, but you'll never have to create any kind of username. It's all done via a magic link. All right. So once we're actually in our portal, this is going to be the portal 2.0. All right. So first thing you're going to see is you're going to see a way to access my contact information, and you're also going to see member bookings. So Enterprise can book once a week, and Pro can book every other. Right here will be an embedded video regarding the portal that you're currently watching here. Then it goes into the project dashboard by phases, seeing what we've accomplished per phase or initiative. Then you'll see it in the timeline version or a Gantt chart. If you do press this button, you'll be able to blow that up and see it in a more zoomed in version, easier to access all the information. From there, it's going to be where your spaces are. So remember, these are embedded files and URLs. It could be shared documents, like a Google Doc type version style here. You can change how you see it, or you can add files there. And then here just be some videos, welcome video, and then some other cool information that we might share. We also give access to our YouTube channel and other free resources. If you want to see your project plan, this will be where the project updates that will be sent. Sometimes it's once every a few months. If it's more of a quicker process on certain initiatives, it might be quicker. Then from there, it's the project plan. It really depends on how you want to consume the information, right? Some people prefer this. This is like the format that I like, but each one of these is going to be the initiatives, then the tasks, and then if I click on it, it'll pop up the subtasks and everything like that. Any kind of additional information that I do need there. You can also see it in more of this format here. Boom, boom. And then this is going to be spaces and files. So we reviewed the spaces, but here's going to be files. This is going to be more documents that are more static, right? So stuff that's not more collaborative, PDFs and stuff like that. If you click here, valuable content, this is just some podcasts we think is informative, free resources that you guys can download. And then from here will be the chat. So that's going to be a quick overview of the new portal. We hope you guys enjoy it. If there's any feedback, we always will consider it. So once again, thanks for being a Better Boss member.